Hey gang, it's Leda Lum, and today we're going to make an awesome DIY facial mask that's really good. No scientific equipment at all. Camu Camu powder and yogurt. It's really good. Yeah, gang, it's really exciting. And if you're into health and beauty, skincare and supplements, click the subscription button and the bell button to be notified when I put up videos on Thursdays and do the lives on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The superfood Camu Camu. Camu Camu powder is so astringent and has more vitamin C than an orange. 60 times as much as an orange, but also has more vitamin C than acerola, another potent, very, very astringent, very bitter, tart. You can tell it has a lot of vitamin C. Has more vitamin C than acerola and acai, the amazing, other superfood, intense vitamin C, power-packed superfood berries. Camu Camu also has a bunch of potassium, magnesium, manganese, copper. I mean, this would be really great to ingest. Eat it for a lot of benefits. You want to put this in your superfood powder mix, your adaptogenic herb mix. But Camu Camu, Amazonian superfruit. I got this at Amazon, this particular brand. I like it, Terrasol. Links in the description, darlings. So I've tried this before, making it a little waterier, more watery. I don't like it as much. I mean, that would actually be pretty good, just a scrubby facial cleanser, this in water, like in the morning, and it's not sitting on your face too long. I like to make my Camu Camu and yogurt facial mask pretty thick, so it's like a paste, you'll see. And that when it dries, it really draws on your skin. It's impurities. And I feel like I'm getting more of that nice astringency of the Camu Camu. The lighter formulas are also fine. You can always just add more of the liquid. I really like the yogurt because yogurt also has a little bit of a lactic acid effect. So it'll be good for hyperpigmentation and acne. It's very mild and also very moisturizing because of the fats in the yogurt. So it's great anti-aging as well. You can use any goat yogurt. You can use yogurt of any kind. You could even use kefir grains. I think that would be great. Camu Camu is great it's a huge antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, great mask for like red marks. It's just like a good anybody's skin type mask, I think. Here we are. All you need is a little bowl, some spoons, some yogurt, and Camu Camu powder. I'm going to put about twice as much Camu Camu as yogurt. About a tablespoon, and then just a little spoonful of the yogurt. Mix it up. You could definitely make this more watery if you wanted less thick consistency. A little more yogurt. It'll spread pretty thick on your skin. So as this is drying, I do feel a little tingle, actually, from the Camu Camu And it's because it's a thicker paste, it feels more astringent, like it's pulling gunk out. You know, it'll have more of an astringent, firming effect. Feels like the Camu Camu is actually working. I'm just going to leave this on until it dries. It's not going to be as crusty as a clay mask would be, but it's still going to have that pulling effect on your skin. About half hour, maybe a little more. See you later. I just washed it off. I didn't even towel off my face. So it's still wet. See? Nice and wet. And actually, it feels really good. I like how the yogurt leaves, there's still a bit of the fat from the yogurt is still on my skin. So it's a very good all-in-one. I'm still gonna put on my Luxe facial oil though on after that. I would always put a facial oil on moist skin. Moist with water, or you could, you know, put on a facial spray and then put on your facial oil because it just absorbs in so much better. And just a few drops, and I'm gonna push it into the skin. But it feels good. I like it. Yeah. That's really nice. I like the Camu Camu. I think the trick is just to get it really thick so it's, you know, just mix it in. Maybe if you left it overnight, it would extract more of the benefits. It would like hydrate the berry and pull that out. Maybe. I thought it was a very nice mask. I really liked it. I was surprised that it was a little tingly. I mean, that could be from other, you know, exfoliation I was doing, but it felt like a little tingly, like my little more sensitive areas of my cheeks. But that was neat because it felt like, wow, I'm really getting some of that vitamin C in my skin. It's what it felt like. If you needed like an all-in-one, you know, DIY, awesome. I definitely still like turmeric, but it would be neat to kind of mix Camu Camu in because, you know, I thought it was very effective and it tastes good. A DIY facial mask you can eat. I mean, it's a win-win-win. You could always do just yogurt, but you know, what'd be really great is amla, neem, and turmeric aromatica. You want the aromatica kind. I think it's way better than just a turmeric spice because it's not as yellow. Mixed in also to add to any mask, honey mask, just with water as like a little facial scrubby thing. I think it would be great. If you guys have other requests for DIYs or video requests in the comments, please let me know. I'm always trying to find some more content that you guys want. And I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. Yeah. It smells good. Before I forget, guys, click the This is good. This is a superfood. So this would be great to add into your adaptogenic powders. Get out of here. Video? Yep. I have like 3 minutes. So if you could, you know, you could just keep it. I really liked it. Click in the description, you guys. No. Make a super easy and effective DIY. Very easy DIY. You don't need any sign. Click the subscription but in the description, not in the description. Click. I'm almost done. I have like a minute. I only had chapati, yogurt, which I think is fine. It was a little sad to waste my yogurt on this mask, but it was a good mask. What am I talking about? I just love the chapati yogurt. It was so good. So good and creamy.